In this project, we're talking about the 9 key P's of digital citizenship and safety as it relates to AI. Right now, we're finishing designing and making all the choices about what is going to be in the app and what's it going to look like, what's it going to contain, and we're about to put that in the app design. I've been using Figjam and Figma so that everybody can put all their ideas in one general area, and we can all kind of collaborate and see where everyone's at. Showing others what God can do through us, even though we're younger, it can show others what we can do and what our skills and abilities are.
I'm Olivia Keith, and my job is assistant project manager. Figma is a really good site to use. You can design your websites and your workflow. It's a good place to gather all your ideas and, in general, just your workspace to work in and just to generate you in a website form. Figma is a good place to collaborate and communicate with each other, and it's a good way to just get everybody involved in a certain aspect.
My name is Alden Russell, and I am part of the graphic design. That there's parts of it where you can people can work together and people can work by themselves. I would say that for the color palette, you could work by yourself with it because I use coolers, and so it's just an online thing where you can press the spacebar and you can just find random colors. So I really didn't need help with that, but there are some other little things you can do that need other people to help you.
It's Lillian, and I'm gonna do a lot of the research about AI-generated art in lots of ways, but also take away from the main idea of art, if that makes sense.
Who's in the military? Brayden. Why is your top thing?